welcome to the channel. Let's see what I got in this next package. Oh, my ties. There's 10 of them. These are the longer ones, so I can strap my external battery bank to my Steam Deck, and possibly even an external hard drive, which I eventually might get as well for more storage. But yeah, that's awesome. I'll pull one out, why not? Oh yeah, this is definitely going to be long enough. You know, the red ones that I got were not long enough. And I think it's just the right width. Alright, perfect. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and have a good one.